So welcome to Dislike channel. So guys, here I'm discuss topic about that. So if you am sharing any link to the customers, means call write a review option or anything, so we have to go give the link from Google My Business. So simple thing is called that how to give the Google Map review link. That the link will be showing to the how to give the Google My Business review link. Example, I'm selecting this map. Okay. When I go to the contact us, they will be click for review and they give option is called write a review option, where here is the write a review option. But when I'm clicking, there's a lot of process where we can go to map and click for review. But I have show for one click the open for the review option. That is purpose we can use it for Google Maps platform. developer.google.com/maps/documentation/place/web-services/place ID. So here we can go to here in this. Select your map. They will show two options. Let me check. The ID generated. The ID will be placing purpose. Search.google.com/local/write a review place is equal ID. In the ID place, you can add the particular code. They will be like this. Here is the option, but I can adding will be I'm selecting another ID. So the show will be direct review option. So ID is generated. Simple. Just go back. Here, simple this ID place. ID URL. There they will go to option name is called your review option. So where you can use this code, simple go back, click this option. Where your place ID is there, copy this ID. Total URL will be copied. So this option will be given by the in the footer option, write a review. So where you can go to cPanel option in this, select here. Where is the footer option is there? Check with the footer in this. Copy. Write a review. Target is equal, double quote, save change, refresh. Now I'm clicking write a review option. That they will open for the your Google My Business location. Just you can give to write reviews and click for here and submit the your particular content. So these all options will be given in a particular location to show the customers to increase the view purpose. So this is nothing but data reviews you can show to the customer. So that is the most you're getting for review purpose and people know about your business location purpose. So that is the his ID will be generated. Remaining one is called you can generate the simple thing. So anything you can ID will be changed. Only option name is called ID will be changed and update your content. Any further question, you can add your review option in your particular WordPress, PHP, HTML, anything will be link is same. Add it and promote yourself, and your particular reviews will increase on your particular business. Any people like your business, they compulsory give the good reviews, increase your reviews on your particular based on your business. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.